Like, let's... I'm going to go ahead and watch this movie soon because...
Was a leap forward, but now you have Blu-ray high definition. Now you're even closer to the action. Closer to the laughter. Closer to the chaos. With Blu-ray, you're not only experiencing the best possible high definition picture and sound, but Blu-ray even makes standard DVDs look their best. And there's more. Blu-ray offers new interactive ways to explore your favorite films without ever having to leave the movie. Check out footage you've never seen before. And now express yourself with Warner Brothers BD Live, in which your BD Live-enabled Blu-ray player becomes an interactive gateway to the internet. Create your own picture-in-picture commentary and share it with friends. Have a chance to participate in on-screen chats with the director and stars in the comfort of your living room during a virtual screening. Rate your favorite trailers. Uncover exclusive sneak peeks of upcoming movies. You're closer now. Closer to the movie. Closer to the feeling. Blu-ray high definition. Simply the best way to watch movies at home ever.
Following previous sets were Volume Shows Motion Picture Association America, Inc.
I have a request. Someone I want to see. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Holmes, you must widen your gaze. You underestimate the gravity of coming events. Tomorrow, at midday, the world as you know it will end. Well, there isn't any time to waste then, is there? The witness stated that he saw Lord Blackwood rise from the grave. I want you to find him and stop it. That'll take every ounce of my not inconsiderable experience. This may be a hobby for you, Mr. Holmes, but I do it for a living. It does make a considerable difference to me. Having someone with me, I'll prove I can thoroughly rely. What's next to see what's... My methods before. I never complain. When do I complain about you practicing the violin at 3 in the morning? Or your mess? Your general lack of hygiene, or the fact that you steal my clothes? Holmes, does your depravity know no bounds? No. Brown shows up this Thanksgiving. Be ready for company with A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving on DVD.
This is gonna be the biggest bash of the year.
Remastered on a deluxe edition DVD.
How do I always get into these things?
It's your own fault, because you're so wishy-washy.
That brings Charlie and the gang closer than ever before.
You're holding my hand, Chuck. You sly dog.
Extras include an all-new documentary and a bonus episode, The Mayflower Voyagers, for all the guests at your table.
Now it's time for the celebration to begin.
Then, Christmas time is here. Celebrate with A Charlie Brown Christmas on DVD.
You know, Santa Claus and ho-ho-ho and mistletoe and presents to pretty girls. Good grief.
Join the gang as they show off their holiday spirit.
I've been kicked by a dog. Get hot water. Get some disinfectant.
On a remastered deluxe edition DVD.
I've killed it. Oh, everything I touch gets ruined. Charlie Brown is a blockhead, but he did get a nice tree.
Packed with extras, including an all-new documentary.
Dear Santa Claus, make it easy on yourself. Just send money. Oh, brother.
Plus a bonus episode. It's Christmas time again, Charlie Brown.
I do want to get some more
I
stuff.
think they look better when they have a little star or an angel on top.
Season's greetings from Peanuts.
Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown!
Also, look for Peanuts Holiday Collection. 3 Peanuts classics all in one box set. It's the perfect gift on DVD.
Following previous thoughts for Pointers Orange Sisters Motion Picture Association America, Inc.
And now, a few words of holiday cheer.
A cheap, lie, snake-licking, dirt-eating, inbred, overstuffed, ignorant, blood-sucking, dog-kissing, hopeless, bug-eyed, stiff-legged, worm-headed, hallelujah!
It's the 20th anniversary of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
I'm gonna watch.
Bring home the ultimate collector's edition on Blu-ray and DVD. I give you the Griswold Family Christmas Tree. A lot of sap in here. It looks great. A little full. A lot of sap. Experience the classic Christmas comedy. We didn't come to impose. Folks, have you got a kiss for me?
You better take a rain check on that, Art. He's got a lip fungus they ain't identified yet.
This year.
Can I show you something?
What? What happened? Good golly. It's the perfect gift on Blu-ray and DVD.
Wouldn't be the Christmas shopping season if the stores were any less hooter than they hotter than they are.
Bring the Griswolds home for the holidays.
Make pretty good time.
And celebrate the spirit of the season.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night!
That thing had 9 lives. She just spent them all. Woo!
National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, the ultimate collector's edition. Own it on Blu-ray and DVD. Loaded with collectibles for the ultimate Christmas vacation fanatic.
It's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
Merry Christmas!
A young hero. He had walked to Ninja Mountain by himself. In his eyes, I saw what I had not seen for 1,000 years. The powers to control Kuji magic. I knew that teaching this ninja would be the most important task in my life. During the day, I let him live the life of a normal young ninja. But at night, I taught him the ancient technique of Kuji to control the powers of nature. Possessing creatures campfire really fast. Hero and Futo, my last ninjas. Time is running out. Tomorrow, they too will have to go. This place has known magic. Very dark. Very powerful. This time, I cannot hope to destroy it alone. Times like these, dark times, it can bring people together.
Take my hand.
They can tear them apart.
These girls, they're gonna kill me, Harry.
This year, Voldemort has chosen Draco Malfoy for a mission. Evil will pass through from their world into our own.
It's a mad time to live in mad.
And the darkest hour
It's beyond anything I imagined.
is upon us all.
In my life, I've seen things that are truly horrific. Now I know you will see worse. You're the chosen one, Harry.
You have to realize who you are.
Without you, we leave the fate of our world to chance. You have no choice. You must not fail. It's over.
Has to do this. Fight back, you coward! Fight back!
Yep. By the class featured name and restriction www.filmways.com. This sells a modified font of original version. It has been formatted to fit your screen.